Morning students, today I'm gonna teach 7th maths, second chapter fractions and decimals, continuation of the previous video. So we'll solve questions. Arrange the following in descending order. So they have given three fractions: 2 by 9, 2 by 3, 8 by 21. So you have to arrange this in descending order. What do you mean by descending order? Descending order means first bigger to smaller. Ascending means smaller to bigger. Descending means bigger to smaller. So how you can arrange it? First we have to see the denominator. If you have same denominator, then you can easily write it in descending order, because if you have same denominator, then you can check only numerator, which is small, which is big. For example, I'll give some other example. 3 by 4, 2 by 4, 6 by 4. If you have, see here denominators are same. So what you have to see? You have to see the numerator, which is bigger. This is bigger. Small, little smaller is 3, right? 3 by 4. Next, smallest is 2 by 4. So this becomes descending order, right? Greater, smaller, descending order. But here it is not, denominator is not same, right? Denominator same means you can easily write it in descending order, but it is not in this denominator is not same. So what you have to do? You have to make this denominator same. So what you will have to take the LCM of the denominators. What are the denominator? Take that 9, 3, 21. Then take the LCM. 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3. How much are 21? 7s are. Again 3 1s are 1. Then 7 1s are 7. So LCM is what? 3 into 3 into 7. 3 3s are 9, 9 7s are 63. So LCM is 63. Then what you have to do? First you take the first fraction. Okay, 2 by 9. That will become, denominator will, now you have to take 63. 9, how much is 63? 9 7s are 63, right? So what you have to do? Multiply 7 both to numerator and denominator. If 9 7s are 63, right? That same way here, 7 2s are 14. So this 2 by 9 become 14 by 63. Same way, take the second fraction, 2 by 3. Okay, here LCM we have got 63. So all the fractions denominator becomes 63 itself. 3, how much is 63? 3 21s are, right? 3 21s are 63. So multiply and to the numerator also, that also 2 into 21. So 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. So 42 by 63 it became. Next, the last fraction, 8 by 21. 8 by 21. How much is 63? 21 3s are 63, right? So that only how to multiply it in numerator. 3 8s are 24, right? So 8 by 21 became 24 by 63. Now you got three fractions. All are having same denominator, 63. Now you can write it in descending order. Descending order means greater number, right? First you have to write bigger number. So you have to see the numerators. Which is greater in this numerator? 14, 42, 24. 42, right? So 42 by 63. Then greater symbol. Then which is smaller than, little smaller than that? 24 by 63. Then last will be 14 by 63. This is the answer. So therefore descending order. is equals to this. Second question, which of the drawings show 2 1 by 5, 3 into 2 by 3, 2 into 1 by 2. So they have given two diagrams. You have to show for this diagram which is the suitable fraction you have to show. So let me see this diagram. How many circles are there? 3 circles, and it is divided into 3 parts. And how many parts are colored here? Out of 3 parts, 2 parts is colored. Here also 2 parts. So how will you say this? Ignore this. You see one circle, 3 parts they have divided into 3 parts and 2 parts is colored. How we can say? 2 by 3, right? So how many are there? 3. So through 3 into 2 by 3. This is the answer. So this answer is 3 into 2 by 3. Same way here. We'll see first one box. So one box is divided into 2. So how many is colored? One shape. So colored part you will write in the numerator, okay? And total part in the denominator. So 1 by 2. How many are there? Next, how many boxes are there? That you will write here. So 2 into 1 by 2. This is the answer. Understood? Here also colored part is 2, that you are writing in the numerator, and the total is in one circle. Total how many divided? 3 parts, 3, that you have written 2 by 3. Then total number of figures 3. So 3 into 2 by 3. This is the answer. This. Next question, find 1 by 2 of 24. So how will you solve? 1 by 2 of means multiplication. Write this symbol, multiple symbol. Then 24. Now you can divide it, right? This and this you have to multiply, but upper and down parts we can divide it, right? So 2 1s are 2 2s are 4. So 12 into 1 is 12. So answer is 12. Same way 3 by 4 of 16. How will you write? 3 by 4 of means multiplication into 16. Same way 4 1s are 4, 4 4s are 16. Then 4 into 3, 4 3s are 12. 12 by 1 is 12 itself. So answer is 12. One more method is there. You can also do it like this. 1 by 2 into 24, right? You can first multiply this, then divide. 24 1s are 24 by 2. Then you can divide. 2 1s are 2 12s are. But the answer will be same anyway. For this also you can do it. 3 by 4 into 16, right? 16 into 3. First you have to multiply it. 16 into 3. Or 3 into 16. How much? 3 6 are 18. Then 1 carry. 3 1s are 3. 4. 48 by 4. Then 4 1s are 4 4. 4 2s 8. So answer is 12. So two methods are there. In anyhow you can do. But this becomes simpler, small. You can easily do this. First you will divide, then you will multiply. This little bit, right? First you have to multiply 16 into 3, then you have to divide. Here this is easier. This method is easier. Next, 4 by 5 of 35. Same way, 4 by 5 into 35. We'll use simpler method, easy method only. 5 1s are 5. 5 how much are 35? 5 7s are 35. Then 7 4s are, or 4 7s are 28. So answer is 28. Students, take down these homeworks. Arrange in descending order: 1 by 5, 3 by 7, 7 by 10. Second one, match the following. So there are some figures. You have to match the correct fractions here. Third one, here I'll read it. 4 into 1 by 4, 2 into 2 by 6, 3 into 1 by 4, 3 into 3 by 4. Third question, find 1 by 2 of 46. Second one, 2 by 3 of 27. Third one, 3 by 4 of 36. Students, all these questions. Thank you.